You can create and start working around with a form directly from Google Drive. So to do that, you can click on New and then you can go to Google Forms right here. And here you can see that you can choose whether you want to create a blank form, a blank quiz, or create a form from a template. So if I were to create out a blank form, then you can see that it opens out a new blank form on a new tab. So apart from this, you can also go around over here on to forms.google.com. You can type that in on your web address bar and press enter, and then it goes on to the Google Forms website, as you can see right here. And if you were to go around and choose blank, it'll create out a blank document like this. Or you can also choose one of the templates that you have over here. You can also expand out the template gallery and choose from one of the templates that you want to work with. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go for find the time right here. And then that particular template will be used and a form will be created, as you can see right here. And you can start working with this. So that is how you can create out a form using different methods inside of Google Form. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.